Welcome to Healthy Ways and stay tuned until the end of the video, as you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your health in many ways. Lemons are pressed like a jokester vehicle with supplements, including nutrient C, B complex nutrients, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. They even contain more potassium than apples or grapes. Advantages of drinking lemon water. 1. Give your insusceptible body a lift. Nutrient C resembles our insusceptible framework's jumper links, and lemon juice is brimming with it. The degree of nutrient C in your framework is one of the primary things to dive when you're focused on, which is the reason specialists suggested popping additional nutrient C during particularly distressing days. 2. Magnificent wellspring of potassium. As of now referenced, lemons are high in potassium, which is useful for heart well-being, just as mind and nerve work. 3. Help digestion. Lemon juice not just empowers sound absorption by slackening poisons in your stomach-related tract, it assists with soothing manifestations of acid reflux, for example, indigestion, burping, and swelling. 4. Cleanse your body. It assists flush with the poisons in your body by upgrading protein work, animating your liver. 5. Renew your breath. It mitigates toothaches and gum disease. The citrus extract can dissolve tooth lacquer. Either hold off on brushing your teeth in the wake of drinking lemon water or brush your teeth before drinking it. 6. Keep your skin amazing. The cell reinforcements in lemon juice help to diminish imperfections, however wrinkles as well. It can likewise be applied to scars and age spots to decrease their appearance. Since it's detoxifying your blood, it will keep up your skin's brilliance. 7. Assist you with getting more fit. Lemons contain gelatin fiber, which helps with battling hunger yearnings. 8. Diminish inflammation. On the off chance that you drink lemon water all the time, it will diminish the sharpness in your body, which is the place illness states happen. It expels uric corrosive in your joints, which is one of the fundamental driver of aggravation. 9. Give you lots of energy. Lemon juice furnishes your body with energy when it enters your stomach-related tract. It additionally decreases uneasiness and discouragement. Indeed, even the fragrance of lemons has a quieting impact on your sensory system. 10. Help to remove caffeine. Supplanting your morning espresso with some blistering lemon water can truly do wonders. You will feel revived and no longer need to manage that bothersome evening crash. Your nerves will be grateful as well. 11. Help battle viral contaminations. Warm lemon water is the best method to reduce viral contaminations and their resulting sore throats. In addition, with the lemon squeeze additionally boosting your invulnerable framework, you'll at the same time ward off the contamination totally. The most effective method to drink lemon water for the best of health. For the individuals who weigh under 150 pounds, crush a large portion of a lemon of juice into a glass of water. In the event that anybody weighs more than 150 pounds, utilize a whole lemon's juice. Tepid lemon water is suggested. You can weaken the lemon squeeze more, contingent upon your own taste. Drink it before anything else, and hold up 15 to 30 minutes to eat. This will help you completely get the advantages of lemon water, which are recorded previously. Thank you for watching. As promised, you may download the ebooks from the links in description below. Healthy Ways. Subscribe for daily health tips. You may also like our other videos here.